Happy Sunday, guys. So, this is Donna Bless, and I am going to do a video right now. This is Sunday morning, and I am thinking about this in my head. So, while we are having breakfast, or maybe when we finish breakfast, I am going to do a video exposing some of my husband behavior. Maybe it would get to whatever. Is my husband ever cheated on me? Question like that. Stay tuned, guys. I want to know because my husband is raw and he's going to tell you as it is. So I am going to see how this video plays out. So stay tuned. I'll be right back.
Okay, I drink bush.
All right, babe. So, all right. So I have 10 questions here, Sophia. So I want you to answer them to 10 questions here. All right. So the first question is, the first question is,
In the last week, I asked you some questions.
have you ever, question one, have you ever been in love before me? Question one, stop your sleeping, babes. Have you ever been in love before me? Answer. Have you ever been in love before me? Tell me.
You asked me in love with you. Like that first you should have asked me. Have you ever asked me that before?
Yes.
Okay. And you get that yes?
Yes.
Okay, so that leads up to that question or no?
Yes.
I love before, yes, but stage, never reach to that stage of before. Or maybe more never in love before then. I love but not in love, if there's a difference or if something
It is. There is a difference. Yeah. Okay, so that was
My
answered.
love not come so easy. Climb a tree naked.
Oh my God. All right, question two. If you wasn't with me, and you're single, where would you think your relationship would have been now? With more than one person, or where do you think your relationship would have been with now?
No.
If it wasn't with me.
As I said earlier, so life comes with changes. So right now from the angle when I'm in a life, my age and stage, I couldn't say we're in a relationship with more than one person. I was like, no, I run the road here and there. Me would not do that. I focus more on settling down. If me not married or if me not have nobody to say, yeah, a person would have be the one that me that settle down with, me that still upon the mindset that if you say, well, second long me I deal with now, you know. Maybe you them and them big. You know, more them for you know want them to see me here and there all over the place. Whereas most of the girl picking me have, you know, a girl child to come up and certain things where you wouldn't want a man to do, your girl want a man to do my girl child. You don't want my girl child to come see me or the woman that. So me have to just set example. So as I said before, life comes with changes, and changes have to do with, you know, the growth that you put in them, and all of that. So I would have focused on settling down instead of running up and down.
Okay. Number 4. What kind of girls you used to eat on when you're young? What type of girls? What used to catch your eyes about girls when you're younger?
Stages again.
When you're young, you know, when you're young.
Yeah, that means stages again, like 19, early 20s, you don't have no quality or nothing. You know, just want hump. Just want hump anything. Just hump. Just want hump every day. Hump, you know?
What is that, man?
Hump. You
We're glad we
subscribe to
never.
them. You subscribe to them, you know.
We're glad we never know your name tag.
You don't really have no we don't know about none of you, not about myself. We never really have
No special.
specific I look for. You know? Once a frock or a skirt or, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
Anybody? As girl, you know, never like them too maga or too
Me
fat
never care.
or
Me not even know say you have
or
that.
if them did good looking or if them did, you know,
Yeah, well maybe the looks part, yeah. Yeah, the looks
the
part.
shapes.
No, I don't think about shape, but the looks, yeah.
Okay.
And no, I think, but just the looks, that alone. Because me not really.
Okay.
Yeah, you know. Worse if if you ever look on her, right? I'm a girlfriend. This, so you can say, well, tell a friend them say I got a girlfriend. You don't want, not really, an ugly girl to say a girlfriend. This, no. I'm gonna laugh after you. Yeah, but if I humping thing, you know, humping it, you know, them time there, you know, young and just want, you know. So I say any young youth or 19, you know, in them teens coming up in them early 20s and then I think for hump, now I think humping. I think that I might believe. I think something wrong with them.
Really?
Yeah.
Humping is what?
Walking hormone.
Okay.
Yeah. But stages in our life, because when you know you come up, I remember when you're 25 and I make a big changes in my life when I'm 25, and this up, but it's still young. It's just that me change from like if me don't hump anything now, me just not hump anything, I mean I look for certain qualities now, and you know,
While you're growing.
yeah, remember at 25 we make a big changes. Not me purposely or deliberately make the change, but it just happen. Nature wise. Yeah, okay. Nature wise it just happen automatically by itself. I'm a find say, oh me used to I look for this or around this or just want this or want that, and me just find say kinda not saying me not still want, you know, or you know, but it just different from them time there. And you just find yourself. Because when I'm 25, I have my first child already, and you know, so that kind of helped me to focus different too. Start buy furniture and then way down, you know. Now I just focus on one set of things.
Okay. Alright, so do you ever think about married when you're young?
Nope. No.
Okay. Why?
Can't tell why.
Just never think about it.
No.
Okay. Name one reason why you'd have lied to me.
To get myself out of trouble. So what me know say I cut off me me tell you the truth. Me no run a lie. Me no want to lose me. Me want me for a roll go down and gully. I'm more lie to anybody for that purpose, to not just you alone. But one reason I'm gonna lie to you, he's not really a liar. But if something go down and I have to lie, I will lie. Yeah, I lie. But for the reason, it all depends. I don't know, I can't tell the reason right now. But if I have to lie, to get myself out of trouble, I will lie. But I try to not put myself in trouble.
Okay.
No, I not say I'm a liar. I am not a liar. Because if a person, let me ask you a question. I know you ask a question, but all the while many people say this, especially all in a court, you know, sorry. Especially like in the justice system. If you say somebody, I tell a lie, that means you call them a liar?
No, you're not call them a liar, but like you don't want to know if the person
Them just a lie at the
yeah,
moment.
no, but you wouldn't call them a liar. I don't think that
The
because
system, once you have said somebody a lie,
yeah,
or somebody a tell
if
lie.
you tell lie one time, every single soul tell a lie in them life.
No, well I know.
So
The
them
system say, alright, if like we see it in a movie all over, like in a courthouse. If a person say whatever, like the person a lie, them say, oh, so you're calling the person a liar.
oh.
Me don't see it as a liar.
Yeah, me not see it as a liar because maybe that.
If me don't know you from Adams and you tell a lie on me, that's just one lie me know you tell.
Right.
So me can't call you a liar because of one lie. You're just a liar at the moment.
Right.
But if me know you and know you is a regular liar,
Liar.
you
Then
tell
you-
lie on a regular basis, then
You're a
yes, you're a liar.
Yeah, that makes sense because sometimes you have to tell her one lie to get yourself out of trouble. Because me not gonna tell a lie. If me have to tell her one lie to get myself out of trouble by you, me I go do it.
Yeah, and that will classify you as a liar.
No.
You just a tell a lie at the
Yes.
moment.
Me would do
You
that.
just tell a lie at the moment. But if he's a regular liar, for a reason, without a reason, all of that in a season, out of season, you're just a liar. So
Right.
you are a liar.
Right. If you get up every day I tell lie, you are a liar. But tell her
And
one
then you
lie.
move from a liar to a regular liar. And then what they call it, a patter, what? Patalat, what?
Okay. All right.
How much question gone? How much leave? I can't wait for this one.
All right. This one done. All right.
Okay, so let me get
Do you
deep
ever
and
cheat?
deep
Do
in
you
the
ever
trouble.
cheat on me?
If me ever cheat on you,
You take long to answer that. Oh my gosh, yes. He did. Guys, I
so
got him.
That's why I say I can't wait for them questions
I got him.
because the question them I get more
He did.
intense and
He did.
my heart I feel heavy, and because the question them I get more harder and harder and more intense.
He did, guys.
Oh,
You cheat.
I don't know about that. No.
You should just said no from the beginning. We're gonna do a lie detector test.
Bring it on.
Okay.
I can go for you too.
Yes.
Remember that.
Lie detector test. Lie detector, guys.
No,
Alright.
never cheat on you yet. Communicate with people. If you call that cheating, what is cheating, by the way?
Cheating
that's
is
the first thing we should
cheating
ask.
is cheating. You know what is cheating.
Like have sex with somebody else?
Yes.
Oh, so once you not have sex, you not cheat.
You have sexual conversation with somebody else.
Conversation or
Yeah.
action?
Action, sexual conversation, kissing.
No.
All of them are cheating.
No, well, I know. So if you don't have sex with a person, you kiss them or you have sexual conversation and cheating, that is still cheating?
Yes.
And you don't, even though you don't have sex with a person,
Yes.
it's still cheating?
Yes. It is cheating. Any form of sexual conversation, any form of
So what if a girl put a sexual conversation to
and
me?
you indulge in it, yes, it's cheating. Yes. It is.
I said easy for cheat.
Yes.
You cheat already then. Conversation, me don't call that cheat.
It is cheating.
Somebody can approach you with a topic, you know. And you try, you're not saying you're not going to brush them
Me
off.
cheat.
You're not going to brush them
Me
off.
cheat too.
That's not cheating.
It is cheating. All right.
Unless you give it a cookie. That's
A
cheat.
sexual conversation and sexual conversation is cheating. Kissing is cheating. Sex is cheating.
Me not even going to put the kissing in
Oral
it
sex
because
is cheating. All of them is cheating.
take kissing serious. You know, I mean, I kiss anybody, but when we talk to anybody,
Ratty.
silence it. Silence it.
Okay. Let me answer him. I cut out right there. So, you ready? Yes. No. All right. So, to leave. When you.
We never done with that one day. We could get
Okay,
that one,
alright.
get an
All right,
understanding
get
from
it,
that one
get
day.
it. All right, get it. Go ahead.
We don't put the kiss in the night
Okay.
because we don't kiss. We don't really kiss.
Kiss me now.
me don't really kiss. And kissing, for me, kissing is another. We don't call kissing part of sex. Because
Right.
anytime me kiss the
Because you
right.
eat it with somebody.
Yeah, because anytime me kiss, mean real kiss. Tongue and touch tongue and then something me get turned on and me have to get cookie them time there. I mean I kiss anybody. But me way, if talking to somebody, when we talk to somebody, word for word. But I don't even go kiss, because kissing is another level. That.
So that means that you have sexual conversation with other people.
Me have sexual conversation with other people, not the sexual conversation per se. We are planning to have sex, and we are talking about me and you having sex. We just have a general sexual conversation, general, life, part of life.
Okay.
So, me not call that cheating. And if you do that, and I cheat that.
Okay, me do that. Do that before. But me not gonna say. Me have sexual conversation. Me have friends or even ex we used to call me, well, it's a part of cheating. Me think it's a part of cheating. So me not indulge in it and like do it like say me I do it with somebody. No. But that was the past. Alright. And I sense me attack there, me attack about.
Yeah. I don't feel they're gonna fancy cooking and give up.
Alright, so next one. When you on vacation, describe how much you think about me.
You can think about it a lot, but be specific. This last trip, I'm going to Jamaica January. Last month, we did it at Jamaica. January, we were Jamaica. That trip was the most thoughtful trip or the most intense one. We come on to talk. I couldn't wait to come back.
You miss me?
Yeah. And just, it's a certain feeling just take me. But you never know. Because me not make it, me just take some time out by myself and just reflect.
Self-reflect.
Reflect. And it develop. And I couldn't wait for come back. And we just hold it still,
Okay, the last one. Do you still love me the way you used to years ago?
Yeah. But just sometimes when you piss me off, me just get mad and just maybe say something or
Sean, let you write it for me. That's why I put the question because he back come.
yeah, we just say something or it may look different to you, like, I don't know if you love me, same or what. But I guess a part of life.
That's life, guys.
Yeah, that's life.
Yay! So we did it.
No more question and answer. Done. Last on this.
We're done. No, you gotta do more. You can ask me something. Righty.
Take off shoes.
Guys, wanna like my hairstyle?
Yeah.
I have another one to come up with. Me want to see who have the most bad habit. The worst bad habit.